So self-projected projectors need to speak things out loud. I'm not a self-projected projector. Wondering what it's like for you. I'm a splenic. Self-projected projectors. No. I am a splenic. I'm not self-projected. So self-projected projectors need to speak things out loud and hear themselves speak and then make decisions from, let's say if you think about things as a self-projected projector, it stays in your mind, sort of behind your eyes. But if you speak it into existence, it becomes in front of you, and then you can look at it. It becomes physical. It becomes something in the physical. The voice is no longer in the ether element, which is just not physical. It becomes air element, which is the voice, which is the sound. So she needs to talk out loud and have you just listen and don't give any feedback to her. Just listen to her as she untangles her own mind in front of her and makes decisions based on that. And yeah, she will talk a lot. Self-projected projectors, she will talk a lot. She will most likely talk about who she is, where she is going, where other people are going, what she likes, what she doesn't like, who she is not. She will talk about self-love. She will talk about creativity. So things. She will talk about the environment. She will talk about ethics, moral standpoints, behavior of people. Yeah, those are self-projected projectors. And she will be most happy when she can talk about these things to somebody that she can help with. So she will naturally maybe talk about all these things indefinitely to people just by existing, and come into a lot of resistance because projectors need invitations. And then she will be most happy if she can talk about it to somebody that actually is interested and has some value from it. But she can get a lot of resistance and become really bitter if she just talks and talks and talks to people that don't want to listen to her, and then she gets rejected or she bores people and stuff like that. And then, so if you can find some use for her and invite her, so she talks about all these things that she usually talks about, but somehow that she is useful to you or to somebody, and then recognize her, tell her yeah, you've really been helpful. Thank you for this. I recognize your wisdom and